Welcome to Luxify, where opulence meets the extraordinary. Today, we're delving into the world of a mogul who's not just a master of beats, but also a titan in the business realm, Sean Diddy Combs. This journey has not come without its controversies. Let's dive into everything. Born in the heart of New York City in 1969, Sean John Combs, also known as Puff Daddy, Diddy, and Love, has carved a unique path in the music industry. Unlike many rappers, Diddy's journey began behind the scenes, as an intern at Uptown Records in the 90s. It wasn't long before he launched his own label, Bad Boy Entertainment, catapulting artists like Notorious Big, Usher, and Mariah Carey to stardom. Diddy's own musical ventures have been nothing short of spectacular. His debut album not only earned him 5 Grammy nods, but also a win for Best Rap Album. His hits like It's All About the Benjamins and I'll Be Missing You are timeless classics, echoing his knack for creating memorable music. But Diddy's empire extends far beyond the recording studio. He's ventured into diverse industries, from luxury liquor brands to fashion lines, showcasing his versatility as a businessman. This multi-decade journey of sheer determination and skill has enabled Diddy to indulge in a life of unmatched luxury. Diddy's real estate portfolio is as impressive as his career. Let's start with his Toluca Lake acquisition in 2009. This 9,600 square foot mansion, built in a classic style, boasts a pool, spa, and an enchanting garden, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Purchased for $5.25 million, Diddy later sold it for $6.5 million after Porter's tragic passing in 2018. Next, let's travel to Beverly Hills, where Diddy owned an 8,600 square foot masterpiece. This residence, blending classic and contemporary designs, features a 3-car garage, a serene fountain, and interiors adorned with crystal details and modern fireplaces. The master suite alone, with its private balcony and marble-clad bathroom, epitomizes sophistication. Initially bought for $436,000, this property's value soared to $2.3 million and was last listed at $8.3 million in 2020. Diddy's penchant for Beverly Hills properties doesn't end there. Another notable mansion, a modern white-walled masterpiece, stands out with its elegant decor and luxurious amenities. This 7,000 square foot haven, featuring an infinity-edge pool and underwater spa, was Diddy's retreat from 2008 to 2013 and hit the market at $14.5 million in late 2021. But the crown jewel of Diddy's Californian estates is his European-style villa in Holmby Hills. With a staggering 17,000 square feet, this mansion flaunts a bar with a professional waiter, a private living space with a classical piano, and a collection of awards and trophies. This lavishly designed residence was acquired by Diddy in 2014 for a grand $39 million. Diddy's luxury doesn't end with real estate. His love for cars is evident in his collection, ranging from a rugged $35,000 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited to a sumptuous $450,000 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Each vehicle, like the $217,000 Ferrari F430 Spider and the $300,000 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, reflects his taste for style and speed. In the realm of air travel, Diddy spares no expense. Owning a Gulfstream G550, a jet known for its safety and performance, Diddy ensures luxury even in the skies. This $60 million aircraft, catering to up to 16 passengers, symbolizes the zenith of his success. In the realm of maritime luxury, Diddy's extravagance sets sail. His private yacht, Mariah, is a floating palace. Stretching 178 feet, this nautical marvel resembles a 5-star hotel on water. This tranquil oasis on the sea, valued at a stunning $65 million, isn't just for personal pleasure. Diddy also charters Mariah, fetching around $350,000 per week. Diddy's taste for lavish gestures is well known. Take, for instance, the Maybach 57, a rare luxury vehicle gifted to his son Justin on his 16th birthday, valued at $360,000. For his mother's 80th, Diddy presented a Bentley Mulsanne and $1 million check. His love for luxury extends to his wardrobe, boasting an array of high-end jewelry and watches, including a $1 million Jacob and Amp Company Royal 5 Time Zone watch and a $516,000 Beauvais Fleurier Tourbillon Virtuoso 3. In 2018, Diddy made headlines by acquiring the Pastimes painting by Kerry James Marshall for a record-breaking $21 million, underscoring his taste for fine art. Diddy's property interests span beyond California. In East Hampton, New York, Diddy owned a 4,500-square-foot house with ocean views. Purchased for $2.45 million in 1998, it sold for $4.7 million in 2020. In Manhattan, his Imperial Park apartment, featuring stunning Central Park views, was bought for $3.8 million and sold for $5.7 million. Further showcasing his taste for luxury, Diddy's New Jersey mansion in Alpine featured an 11,000-square-foot living space. Purchased in 2004, it was sold for $5.5 million in 2016. In the spirits industry, he's made significant strides with Ciroc Vodka and De Leon Tequila. His media venture, Revolt TV, and his stake in competitive gaming company Play VS highlight his keen business acumen. Sean Combs' journey to billionaire status is a tale of diverse investments and smart business decisions. His label, Bad Boy Entertainment, has been a significant revenue source, valued at $100 million at its peak. Sean John, his fashion brand, has generated over $525 million annually. In 2022, Sean Combs' net worth reached an astounding $1 billion, securing his position as one of the wealthiest figures in hip-hop. Diddy's rise to fame has not been without its controversies. Sean Diddy Combs has had a complex and often controversial past, marked by various legal and personal challenges. In 1991, Combs co-promoted a celebrity basketball game at City College of New York that ended in a tragedy where 9 people died and 29 were injured due to overcrowding and inadequate security. Combs settled lawsuits from the families of the deceased in 2000. Jake Roebel's shooting in 1995. This incident fueled the rivalry between Death Row and Bad Boy Records. Combs denied involvement in the shooting, which reportedly escalated tensions between the two record labels. In 1998, Combs and 2 others attacked music executive Steve Stout, resulting in Combs being charged with second-degree assault and criminal mischief. In 1999, a dispute at Club New York led to a shooting where 3 people were injured. Combs was acquitted on all charges, while Jamal Shine Barrow, a Bad Boy signee, was found guilty and sentenced to 10 years in prison. In 2013, an altercation reportedly occurred between Combs and J. Cole at an MTV VMAs after-party, though both parties denied a fight took place. In 2014, allegedly Combs was involved in a confrontation with Drake, punching him over rights to a beat, though Combs has denied punching him. Settlement of a lawsuit with ex-girlfriend Cassandra Ventura. Combs and his ex-girlfriend R&B vocalist Cassie settled a lawsuit where she accused him of serial physical abuse, sexual slavery, and rape. Ventura's lawsuit claimed that Combs forced her into sex acts with male prostitutes, which he filmed, and that he beat and raped her during their 10-year relationship. Combs strongly denied these allegations. The terms of the settlement were not disclosed, but both parties agreed to resolve the matter amicably. In a separate incident, Combs was accused of drugging and sexually assaulting Joy Dickerson Neal, a Syracuse University student, in 1991. The lawsuit, filed under New York State's Adult Survivors Act, claims Combs videotaped the alleged assault and distributed the tape within the music industry. Dickerson Neal is seeking unspecified damages for mental and emotional injury, distress, and damage to her reputation. Combs' spokesperson has stated that Dickerson Neal's story is not credible and called the lawsuit a money grab. These legal troubles have brought significant attention to Combs, who is still a prominent figure in the hip-hop industry. These incidents are part of a larger pattern of legal and personal controversies that have surrounded Combs throughout his career, reflecting the complexities of his life in the public eye. And there you have it, a glimpse into the billion-dollar life of Sean Diddy Combs. From his luxurious properties to his shrewd business ventures to his controversies and legal troubles. If you enjoyed this dive into luxury, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Luxify for more captivating content on the opulent lives of the rich and famous.